back to Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom, where learning isiZulu is fun. isiZulu simnandi. Mina ngingumama uThando. Wena ungubani? Ngiyajabula ukukwazi. Mngani, let's sing the Sawubona song and greet all our friends around the world. Sawubona, sawubona, unjani mngani? Sondela hlala phansi, sifunde mngani. Sawubona mngani. Mngani, we are going to work on numbers from 10 to 19. Here, mngani, we are looking at a noun. So a certain group of nouns. So we'll start with the nouns that have the prefix isiqalo, aba. You know those ones. Those are the plural of the nouns that are starting with and umu, and they are only people. So we are going to then go on only those nouns, but with the different numbers from 10 to 19. And then in another video, we'll work on the nouns that start with u when they are singular and o when they are plural. And we'll then cover the different groupings of nouns until we are done with all the different groupings of nouns. Now, mngani, of course, these are all going to be plural since our numbers are big numbers, 10 and not ones. So let's start. This one is aba, and so our noun we are going to work with, ibizo, is Abangani. Abangani are friends. If we remove that prefix aba and we put isiqalo sobunye, then we will have umngani. So that's one friend. Right now we're talking about many friends, lots of friends actually. So let's start. So what you are going to see is the noun followed by the adjective, as it is in isiZulu. In English, it's the other way around. You start with the adjective and then the noun. In isiZulu, ibizo, and then isiphawulo. Now, the adjective of a noun that starts with aba will also always start with aba. And as you see it, mngani, it is aba, and meaning that the last letter of the prefix is a vowel. And then we have the number, which starts with a vowel. So there we will end up having two vowels right next to each other, which is something we just don't do in isiZulu. Because honestly, how do you even read it? It sounds weird just looking at it. So anyway, we then do one of two things. When we have a situation like that, we either blend and smoosh the two vowels together, or we separate them with a consonant. And in this case, we will be separating them, those two vowels. And since the second vowel will be an I all the time, because the numbers from 10 to 19, they all start with I, ishumi. So we will always be separating the two vowels with a Y. And a consonant in isiZulu is ungwaqa. Ungwaqa. Repeat that after me, mngani. Ungwaqa. Good. Now, let's start. 10 friends. Abangani abayishumi. 11 friends. Abangani abayishumi nanye. 12 friends. Abangani abayishumi nambili. 13 friends. Abangani abayishumi nantathu. 14 friends. Abangani abayishumi nane. 15 friends. Abangani abayishumi nanhlanu. 16 friends. Abangani abayishumi nesithupha. 17 friends. Abangani abayishumi nesikhombisa. 18 friends. Abangani abayishumi nesishiyagalombili. 19 friends. Abangani abayishumi nesishiyagalolunye. There you have it, Mngani. Make sure that you also watch the other video lessons on the other groupings of nouns. Salagash.